But because of the modern laminated adhesive stick interlining, tape-like interlining the foam, it cannot be super hard, but really on the pocket there it is quite stiff. It cannot be super hard because of all the butter maybe, and also the glycerin. Maybe I should not have added so many chemicals altogether, but I wanted to try it. The cuffs cannot be too hard either because of the foam. So this is the sham shirt I showed in the Gangs of New York video. This thing is quite stiffer because there's no interlining. It is extremely smooth and it is quite shiny. Honestly, I only ironed it today. I did all of that today, I finished about 3 hours ago. It has some wrinkles. It is very hard to iron and get it perfect, and really there's no point, since once worn it is going to get wrinkled directly again, especially that one is going to wear a waistcoat and or a coat on top of it, and so wrinkle the extra bonding fabric anyhow. And it is very hard to really iron a shirt so that it looks completely impeccable. It will take so long. Even that took 50 minutes to iron. The longest process was not the starching or anything, it was really the ironing. So finally, is it as shiny as this originally starched bosom? There, detachable, removable bosom in linen? No, because this is thin linen, free price. This is thick cotton. This is the main problem. Plus, so it is not as shiny, but it is very, very shiny, and it is shinier than with the Starflow. Is it much shinier? It is hard to tell. My lighting is bad now, it is also night time. But it is nowhere near as shiny as that, but this again, being a thin, very absorbent fabric, is more prompted to gaining that texture really. And that appearance mostly, more rather so than texture. But it is as smooth almost as that. Also it cannot be quite as silk-like, the texture, due to it being thick cotton and the other one thin linen. That's rather the opposite. Alright, sir. And that shirt will no longer be worn because it is too damaged, too distressed. Can't get it repaired. It is all worn out. See, the collar has died there. This cannot be repaired there. So I could wear it and not care, but I do care because it looks like I'm a tramp. So I will stop wearing it. So now I think it is the end of the video. Bye bye.